I, Abner Cargullo,
having been elected to the position of,
having been elected to the position of Vice Mayor of Malinaw Albay,
do hereby solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge,
that I will faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold,
I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders, and decrees
legal orders and decrees
promulgated by its duly constituted authorities therein,
promulgated by its duly constituted authorities therein,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Ating pala.